This is precisely how we structure online ads. We want our ad copy to match the exact keyword phrases your potential client will type into the search bar. The more relevant and perfect your ad and landing pages match, the more we meet Google's requirements. Let's consider Google's stake in the game. They have two main goals. Their primary goal is to be the #1 source of relative information for their users. Google's #2 goal is to generate revenue from advertisers. By the way, Google is doing an outstanding job of meeting both of these goals, as they are the #1 search engine in the entire world with over 92% of the market share globally and generating billions in revenue. Google has strict guidelines for advertisers to create winning ads. Google introduces changes to its algorithms almost daily. Some of these tweaks Google makes are minor, whereas others are far more serious and shake up the SERPs, search engine result pages. If you know when they happen and how Google expects you to play along, you're golden. Google rewards you for providing quality to their users, your potential clients. For doing so, Google gives you the best ad position on the page, paying a lower rate than anyone else, plus you will see immediate results. What happens when business owners, marketers, and advertisers don't know the fine details of structuring ads properly? They receive a low quality score, a lousy ad position in the SERPs, and in some cases their ads are not seen at all. They pay more for a lower position, including every ad above them, hence the reason many people say Google ads don't work for my business. The most common and critical error the majority of advertisers are not getting right, they group their keywords into the same ad. Whether they create 1 or 10 ads, they group their keywords into all those ads. This leads to less relevant clicks, a lower click-through rate, a lower quality score, higher CPC, and lower conversions. When you start playing by the rules, that's when the magic happens. You start receiving the benefits by driving clicks at the lowest price possible. This is how you save your ad budget while increasing your revenue. We do many things different than other marketers throughout all of our digital marketing. Beyond the larger items that I mentioned already, some of the smaller yet powerful things that we do that also have a big impact on revenue, we omit search terms that elicit researchers and tire kickers. We only use keyword phrases that attract buyers. We create lists of negative keywords. These 3 actions alone save you from wasting and spending on irrelevant clicks, if they're done correctly. These and many other actions are why people are blowing their ad budget. Here's a brief overview of some factors Google uses to determine your quality score.